Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you how I took this. So this little drawing right here, this is a iPhone 15 standby charging station dock. And it came out really nice, but it did take 7 hours and 15 minutes to 3D print this on a Bambu printer. And what I want to show you is how you can take, so this product turned out nice, but let's say you wanted to mass produce this thing. You would want something that was a little more streamlined, that used less plastic, that you could actually print faster and more efficient and more cost effective and still be really nice. So let me show you what I did. And well, first I'll show you this. Let's slice this plate. Now this is without any supports, and it says 5 hours and 22 minutes. So let's hide that. So if you look up under here, you see this blue section. That's where you probably needed supports. You might be able to get away without it. And these are good things to test, but you don't want to test it on something with 7 hours of product. Now, if I went over here and I put the tree supports on and I sliced it again, you would actually see how much plastic's involved right there. So you can see the supports, and it ends up 7 hours and 14 minutes to do that. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to reproduce this iPhone standby dock in an efficient manner where you could actually make some money 3D printing this and selling it on Etsy. Let's get started.
There he goes, it's a working man, trying to make a living any way he can, and he'll break his back for a buck or two. Oh, there ain't no shame in what he do. Oh, work it out.
Okay, here you can see a complete redesign of this iPhone 15 docking station, standby docking station. Now, we did a few different things. Everything in the middle is pretty much the same where the phone goes in. You got your camera slot right there. You've got your charging puck recess thing. You got your cord that goes through the hole. Now, one thing we did on the hole, we actually brought it down below, so it kind of sweeps down through here below. So we redesigned this whole thing, and you can see it's a lot smaller. Now, the other thing we did, we actually reduced this, we scaled this thing down 50%, and then, so before we printed a full-size one, we scaled this down 50%, and we printed one with no supports to see if it would print cleanly and not have any problem, and it was perfect. So now you see this is a full-size one, and we're going to go ahead and slice it right now. 3 hours and 4 minutes. So the time to print this, we actually cut this more than half. And it actually, if you look at it, let me know what you think in the comments, but it's a lot cleaner and more streamlined. And I'll show you a little video right here of the time lapse making this, and then I'll show you what it looks like in person. Here you can see a test piece that I did that only took about 30 minutes to print, and this enabled me to see if I was going to be able to manufacture this thing without supports, and it came out really nice. And here's a image of it all done. Here you can see the miniature version, and it actually came out really good. No supports needed, and it allowed me to go to the next step and print the full-size version. Here you can see the full-size version being printed, and it took only 3 hours and 14 minutes. And I think it turned out really good. Let me know in the comments what you think. And there you go. Here's what it looks like all finished. And so basically you're cutting down on the cost of making it, the time it takes to make it, and you can really produce a lot more. And let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.
There he goes, it's a working man. He's trying to make a living any way he can. And he'll break his back for $1 or $2. Oh, there ain't no shame in what he do. Oh, working out.